Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is a razor that I got from TJ Maxx. This one is kind of interesting. I have some of the rechargeable portable razor that I do use it for my haircut or cutting my son's hair. So the other one I own it for a very long time now, and some of the battery went out, but I put like two of the Eneloop triple A battery, and then I solder in there and then recharge it. It's working fine right now, but I just want to have a backup just in case that one breaks on me again. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. So this is the TRYM 2. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Come with this nice hard cardboard box. I got this for $14.99 plus tax at TJ Maxx. It says pure enrichment. TRYM 2 or whatever is the latest hair clipper set from pure enrichment, made from professional grade parts. TRYM 2 is a safe and effortless solution for trimming your head, body, mustache, and beard. With a slick and modern design, TRYM 2 adds an aesthetic, pleasing look to any bathroom. So it includes a hair trimmer, 4 other trimmer attachment. Come with this UL certified AC adapter and charging base or dock. They come with the oil and then a cleaning brush. It also come with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Oh, it's made Santa Ana, California, and that's a UPC code. So let's go ahead and then cut this open, guys, and check it out. Because the way this box feel is not cheap, so for $14.99, I was like, if this is a premium build, and that is good for this price. So even this oil costs about, I don't know, a couple bucks if you buy it. And then this is the charging base. So there's a 2-prong, probably positive and minus. And the plug, you could only plug it into one way, okay? There's this groove right here in the middle. You see the groove right there on the top. So it only fits that one way. And this is the adapter right here. Let me see how many volt. Probably 12 volt. So the output is 3 volt DC, 1150 milliamp. This is a class 2 transformer. So come with this nice cleaning brush. It's pretty rough. And then you got 4 of this different size of the attachment clips. In case you need to clip your hair or your beard. So this one is 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and then what is it, 13? No, it's 1.8, my bad. So I got 4 of the clips right here. And then this is the clip right here, the trimmer or the clipper. So it is protected with this plastic film layer that you can remove. You see the bubble right there. So I believe there's a LED right here, indicator, so it's being charged or not, fully charged or what. So I'm just going to let it charge overnight. When it's brand new battery, you want to charge it for at least like 12 to 14 hours the first time. So this one sits like this. Okay. And then after you sit on the cradle or charger, this LED should light up. Alright guys, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video, and then please hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, and be sure to turn on that bell for notification. Alright, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. If you have any question, please drop in your comments on below, and I'll try my best to answer the question for you guys. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.